I have got my hands on Australian Wagyu Striploin steak cut. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a recipe of a very unique steak cut. Australian Wagyu Striploin is a premium steak known for its intense marbling, rich flavour and tenderness. It is sourced from cattle and raised with Japanese techniques in Australia. It's prized for its succulent texture. It's perfect for high heat searing, pan frying or grilling. It's often seasoned simply to highlight its quality. So to begin with, I have seasoned the steak with some salt, pepper, paprika and a little bit of garlic. I got this mixed together in a steak rub, but you can add yours individually if you like. I'm going to leave that aside for about an hour while I start on my roast potatoes. So I'm just going to cut some new potatoes to shape. I've decided to leave the skin on this time. So I've just lined a baking tray for the potatoes. I'm going to pop them straight in. So I'm going to lightly flavour these with some garlic, some butter and some salt. I'm going to roast them at 200°C for 1 hour in a preheated oven. So I'm just going to prep some broccoli. All I'm doing to this is boiling it. So it's time to sear the steak. I'm going to go for 3 minutes on each side. As soon as one side is done, I'm going to add some butter and some garlic and sear the other side for 3 minutes. I'm going to keep basting this for the rest of the cooking time. So the steak is now done. It's really important I let this rest for about 5 minutes before I serve it. So them crispy potatoes have been in for about an hour. And we're all done. That's how I make my Australian Wagyu steak. I'm just going to plate it up and serve it now. I hope you enjoyed my simple recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.